Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making chickpea salad. It is easy, it's delicious, and you can have it with any meal you want. Ingredients and instructions. 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. Chop 1 red onion. And add chopped red onion in a bowl with cold water and let it soak. Cut 1 tomato in half. Remove the seeds with a spoon and chop it. Cut half a cucumber or 1 whole cucumber in half. Remove the seeds with the spoon. And chop the cucumber. Cut 1 yellow pepper in half. Remove the stem and the seeds. Chop the yellow pepper. Chop fresh cilantro leaves or parsley. In a bowl, add all the chopped ingredients. Add washed and drained red onions, some olive oil, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, salt to taste, add half lemon juice, and mix well. And it's done. Enjoy! Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!